My full name is Reggie F., which is Franklin Barnes. I'm the Director of Security for the Empowerment Church at 24350 Southfield Road in Southfield, Michigan. We acquired the building 3 years ago, and we bought it as is. And at that time, the roof was already at its life expectancy. So we tried to patch the roof in different areas, and unsuccessfully, it wasn't working where that it was costing us more money to repair the areas as well as the leaks in our ceiling tiles. And then we also were starting to have electrical problems because of the rain that was coming into the building. We wanted to go to a new technology. And so while I started looking for the new technology, Superior Services was actually recommended. You were honest in telling us the things that we needed to do, and if we weren't able to accommodate at the time, you would help us with the leaks of our roof. Well, that's not normal to me. I've been in construction for a while, and I understand that sometimes most construction companies will not go out their way to help a customer, whether they accept them or not. I've never had a company that was so in tune to satisfying the customer. Whatever you found that was not normal within our contract, you brought it to our attention. You didn't cover it up, and you let us know that we may have potential problems, and then you also explained how you can correct that problem. It's not something that you just showed up to sell us a product and not support what you sold. And you believed in your company would satisfy us, which was something that I was looking forward to all the way through the project, and you didn't let us down. So I have been impressed, and I will continue on recommending your company.